Welcome back. We are learning Setup Business Central. This is the skill. Okay, we have already completed this deploy and configure Business Central. We are in work with Business Central user interface, and previously we have completed this module user interface essential. So today we'll be discussing about personalize the Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. So where it is actually, we have already completed this user interface. We are in the personalize the Microsoft app. So if you missed the previous videos, just go ahead to go YouTube and then search for Microsoft Goms Tech Talk. So here you can find the playlist. Okay, just click on this playlist. And here you can see the MB-800 complete training session. So I'm just uploading it daily. So these are the previous sessions, and we have already completed the Dynamics 365 Essential. That is, this is the previous one. Okay, user interface essentials. And now we are learning personalized Dynamics 365 Business Central. And then finally, we are in the personalize, like exercise, personalize the customer list and clear personalization, which we have already did, but let us just try to do this. Remove the responsibility center field from the customer list and add language code field in the customer list. This is what the task. Okay, so if you wanted to remove the responsibility center, in the account role center, select customers, accountant role center. So you have to shift your role center to the accountant page. So how to shift it? So just go ahead, switch. You have to go to the my settings, and then the role is in the business manager. Make it as an accountant role. Okay, this is the first one you have to do and click OK. So once it is changed to the accountant role center, you have to select the customers in the list page. It is loading. Let it load. Okay. Now let us go back to the, okay. So now let us go back to the customers. Here you can see there is a customers page. Just click on this customers. Okay, it will open the list page. Now what they are telling you is what on the app bar, select the settings icon and then select personalize. Okay, so now once you click on the customers page, you have to on the app bar. This is your app bar. Okay, here you have to click on the settings and click personalize. You can find a personalize option is coming up here. In the customer list content section, move and point your mouse to the responsibility center field. So here we have the responsibility center field. So what we have to do about this responsibility center, you have to click this pointer. This is the pointer. Click this pointer and hide it. Okay, this is what removing. Hide it. You cannot see the responsibility center again. Now we are going to add the language code field. Now again in the personalization bar, select more. Okay, so this is your personalization bar. Here you have field. It's already, it should be like this. Okay, you have to select this more. It will show you this. You have to click on add field. Okay, click here, add field. Okay, and enter the language code. So you can just check for, you can just search here. You don't want to scroll down. You can search here and check for language code. Okay, you can see it's a language code is available. Just click on this language code. You can see that the language code is available here. Okay, and close the add field to the page and then click done. So you can just close this add field page and click done. So here it is done. So click done. You can see that the language code is added. Okay, language code, where does that language code went? Okay, again, I'll do that. So personalize and field, and I'll search language code and done. Okay, you have to click and drag it here. Okay, so I have clicked and dragged it here. It is there and click done. You can find the language code. So content section, click close the add field and we have done with the personalization. Now we have to clear the personalization, right? So scenario is what you have to clear the personalization, go to the accountant role and select the customers in the list place, app bar setting, personalize. So you have this app bar setting, personalize, and you can see there is a clear personalization option. Just click on this personalization. It will ask you only action, only field or columns and paths which we have added or all. So you can just select all and click S. So everything will be reset. You can see that the responsibility center is now available and the language code is went, and then click done. Okay, so it's all done. Okay, you can clear the personalization. That's all. So this is what the exercise which is given. You have to personalize this. Let us just check your knowledge. Okay, can user set or change freeze pane on field in a list? Just try to answer this question. Let's try to answer this question. Great if you have guessed it right. Yes, users can personalize their business center user interface settings. Setting a freeze pane is one of the possibilities that users have with the personalization. Next one, can user change the menu list in the action bar? If you have guessed it right, yes, correct. As users can change the list menu and change the menu list with the personalization. Great, we have completed this particular module. Okay, so we have completed this and we have one more module to complete this particular learning path, which is use alternative interface for Dynamics 365 Business Central. I'll meet you soon. You can find all the videos here. Take care. Bye-bye. Have a great day.